Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachlin, and today I'll be doing a quick video walkthrough on this pre-owned 2015 Sea Hunt Triton 225. The boat is in beautiful condition. Very nice boat with many capabilities. Floats shallow enough for inshore fishing, and you can get out on your offshore adventures as well. It does come with an iPilot Minn Kota trolling motor. Moving around to the stern of the vessel, see it's powered by a 4-stroke 200 Yamaha Outboard. So we'll step aboard the vessel and take a look. The boat is very clean. Does have a transom live well. Passenger seats on both sides. Very nice leaning post. Moving up to the helm, we do have a Lowrance Elite 7 HDI. Infinity stereo and speakers. Does have a head in the console. Moving forward, very nice casting deck, and we can see we have the optional cushions in place right now. And very nice seating area in front of the console. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachlin at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call, come down, see what we have in stock for inventory, or set up a demo and get on the water today. Thanks, hope to see you soon.